thunderstorm warning for southern Monroe County in southwestern Illinois, Randolph County in southwestern Illinois, southeastern Jefferson County, northeastern St. Genevieve County in southeastern Missouri until 4 p.m. At 2:53 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line from 5 miles west of New Design to 7 miles northeast of Bond Terrace, or along a line from 7 miles southwest of Waterloo to 7 miles northeast of Bond Terrace, moving southeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and small hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near New Design and Waterloo around 2:55 p.m. Bloomsdale and Redbud around 3:05 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Fultz, Kidd, Brooksville, Macedown, Wartburg, Madonnaville, Chalfin Bridge, Monroe City, Foster Pond, and Renault. This includes the following state parks: Felix Valley House State Park. This includes Interstate 55 in Missouri between exits 150 and 162. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. These storms are capable of producing damaging winds.